Hey y'all, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Nika.go.business, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my lazy wash and go routine. So this routine is great for when I want to achieve fairly decent definition in my curls, but I also gotta be somewhere at a certain time, so we gotta get it done. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Here it's freshly washed, so now I'm about to hit it with the hydrating deep condition mask. So it's a mix of what's left of this, the honey manuka intensive hydration, and some aloe vera and avocado syrup. I didn't show you guys how I made it, but I was in a hurry. Remember, this is a quick wash and go. So I'm gonna stop talking so you guys could just see how I apply it. So once I was done, I slapped a shower cap on and left it in for about 20 minutes. So here I am, mask all rinsed out, hair detangled and sectioned off. All done in the shower. Big time saver. So my wash and goes are super simple. I use this Aunt Jackie leave-in, this Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, and then I finish it off with either the ORS hair polisher or this Trader Joe hair serum, whichever one I'm feeling. So what makes this a quick wash and go is, instead of taking like small subsections of the bigger sections, I just split that in two and just go in with the leave-in and the gel. So now that all the sections are finished, I'm gonna try a little swoop, middle part swoop. I think it's super cute, but I never do it because after I finish my wash and go, I'm just like, I don't feel like doing anything else. But we gotta try it out today. So now we're going to dry with the hooded cap with the blow dryer. Excuse the mess on the bed. We were in the middle of doing laundry, but back to it. So I'm going to sit with the cap for about 20 minutes, maybe 30. So this is what the day 2 hair looks like. Like I said, pretty decent definition. That's what we're going for because it was quick. But I am noticing that my hair is lacking some shine, so we're gonna have to do something with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Whoa, my bad. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. But until next time, stay poppin'.